Think you don't have enough space to have a garden? Think again. It is entirely possible to use a little ingenuity and transform even the smallest balcony, patio, or corner into a green getaway using DIY container gardening skills. No grassy backyard? No problem. Container planting is the absolute best way to still have a savvy garden experience and not have to deal with a yard. Welcome to Garden Glow. We love to share bright garden hacks, compact space design ideas, or inspiration to create your own green retreat. If you enjoy finding garden hacks that are easy to do on a budget, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Also, while you're here, leave a comment with your favorite container planting ideas or tips. Your small space has big possibilities. Let's see them together.